Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. First, fruit. Mango is my favorite fruit. Second, beautiful. Rose is a beautiful flower. 3. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. Fourth, market. I go to market with my father. Fifth, laugh. He laughed too much. Sixth, go. Mohan went to his village. Seventh, get. He gets up early in the morning. Eighth, great. You are a great fool. Ninth, song. She sing a classical song. 10th, Falak. The children Falak the flower. Number 11, go. I go to Lucknow by car. 12, car. I go to school by car. 13, cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game. 14, sky. The colors of sky is blue. 15, color. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Thanks for watching.